Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. Now I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL and I put it into a third-party SEO scanner. I use RankDaddy for that. And we're going to look at your heading tags because that's what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now, unfortunately, your title tag is way too short. In fact, you don't even have a title tag or a meta description. You're also missing your H1 and H2 header tags. And this is why you are not on page 1 of Google search. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page 1. And I get bids for them. So let's see how your website is ranking on Google today for these keywords. I use SERPtrack.io to track these things. You can get a free 30-day subscription to this. I put your URL in, and I use these keywords: Bakersfield Remodeling Contractors, Bakersfield Remodeling Company, and Bakersfield Kitchen Remodeler. And as you can see, you are averaging about 20, which is on the bottom of page 2. We can get these things fixed for you. We can fix your website. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you today. We can get you to page 1 in a couple weeks. So if you could use more business, please respond to this email. Or give me a call. My number is 559-691-0320, and my name is Mike Brady. Thank you for your time.